Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming two essentials. Your cellular carrier permits Wi-Fi calling and your laptop has an active internet connection. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network, then open System Network Settings. On Windows, go to Settings Network and Internet. On Mac OS, open System Preferences Network. Next, install or open your carrier's calling app if required, or prepare to add your phone number into the system calling feature. Once done, move to enabling the actual Wi-Fi calling option so your laptop can handle calls. Now enable Wi-Fi calling by toggling the option in your carrier app or the operating system's calling settings. You may need to sign in with your carrier credentials. Grant microphone access and, if you'll do video, camera access, because without permissions, audio won't transmit. Configure caller ID and update your emergency address. This is required for 911 routing. Make a short test call to a friend or voicemail to check audio levels and latency. Adjust input/output devices in sound settings if levels are off. Finish by confirming activation with your carrier and restarting both the laptop and carrier app to clear any transient issues. Place a normal call and evaluate quality. If you see jitter or dropouts, switch between 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands or move closer to the router to improve signal. If problems persist, reboot the router, update network drivers or OS, and then recheck permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: if calls fail entirely, try using a mobile hotspot from your phone to verify whether the issue is carrier or local network related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.